In this video, we'll show you how to insert a YouTube video into Canva. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. To get started, head over to YouTube and find a video that you would like to add. I'm going to use this video off my favorite YouTuber, BozHub's channel. Scroll down below the video and click share and then hit copy to grab this link. Next, return over to Canva and on the left-hand menu, find apps. In the search bar on this page, you're going to want to find embed app. You could just search this up just like so, and it'll appear just like so. Select it and either choose a new design or an existing design. I'm going to choose this one right here. You can also select specific projects, which I'm going to choose the most recent one from our past video. Once it opens, it should look something like this on the left, and choose YouTube from these options. From here, it's going to put this template video right here. You can hit edit link on this and paste the YouTube video link that you just copied. It should look something like this. On top of that, you can also just paste the web link here and hit add to design, and that will also add that YouTube video link or other social media website links if you have them. That's it. Your YouTube video will now appear directly on your Canva project, whether it's for a presentation or for other videos. If you have any questions, ask us in the comments below and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're brand new.